All right, so this section is the storyboarding process. And this is where, instead of writing with words, we write with drawings, and we put them on little pieces of paper, and it's sort of seeing the movie in comic book form. And we'll do a section of a movie at a time, and we'll pin them all up on boards, and then when we get a certain chunk done, we'll show them to the directors, or they will show them to us. And I don't know, it's kind of a complicated thing to explain.
That was a really good description of it, but how better to describe
Something better than that.
Yeah.
Well, we could show it.
Yeah, let's show it.
With storyboards.
With storyboards. Okay. This is the storyboarding process as illustrated by Joe Ranft, our head of story.
Yes. So there's the little cute Mr. Storyboard artist working very diligently and happily in January.
And he has a deadline. He's working hard to do his sequence. Every time he does a drawing, he pins it up on the board. And there he stands back when he gets done with his sequence and he says, did I do it the best way? And storyboarding actually balances like composition, cutting, staging, acting, writing, everything that goes through the storyboard artist's mind as he's doing it.
So he'll try another pass at it a couple more times until he feels he's got it just right.
Just right.
It's perfect.
So he calls in the story department
and
of course the director.
There you can see John Lasser. Looks just like you.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Thanks, Joe.
And then Joe, or whoever's pitching, well, the little storyboard artist in this case, will pitch the sequence, and in the middle of the pitch, John gets an idea.
We all get ideas, and that's one of the great things about storyboarding here at Pixar is that it is a free-for-all once we get in this, and everybody is out coming up with ideas to make the sequence better, to make the film better. And when the pitch session is done, inevitably there is lots of ideas to make the sequence better. The storyboard artist kind of wakes up from it.
Right,
usually
we're infamous for putting all our notes on little Post-its.
Yeah.
That's why you see all the little yellow squares there. And so we'll all leave all excited about the great new ideas we've got. Boom. And we leave the storyboard artist.
Mr. Storyboard Artist goes back and thinks about it and starts over with all of his notes that he has to do. Joe Ranft often calls it the storyboarding process, not storyboarding, but story reboarding. Yep. Because we work on it, redo it to make each sequence, to make the entire film as best as we possibly can be. In the next section, you're going to see Joe Ranft, our head of story on A Bug's Life, pitching to co-director Andrew Stanton.
Me.
And I think Bob's in there too.
I think Bob Peterson, one of our story guys.
He's pitching the circus sequence from A Bug's Life. Enjoy.
Okay, so Slim and Francis are hit by the spotlight. They're not too excited. And Slim says, tra-la-la-la-la, spring is in the air and I'm a flower with nothing interesting to say. And then they go, ah, look, a bee. And then Heimlich comes running forward. I am a cute little bumblebee. Here I come. I want to catch up with your flowers.
Oh, I got it. What if it's like he just can't catch up? He's like, it's just, he's so heavy, it's just hard for him to like catch up to Slim.
Slow down, you.
Yeah. Right.
So he's like, you flowers, slow down. I'm trying to catch up with you. Oh, yeah, right. That would be great. Your flowers are too fast. You're running too fast. Slow down, you guys.
That's great.
Okay, that'd be good. Okay, so then he's chasing after him, and Heimlich runs by the stands, and there's the little kid eating candy corn, and he stops, and he goes, turns around, and he goes, oh, candy corn here. Oh, you have to let me eat it. Oh, and his stomach is rumbling, and
yeah, and he could go, let me help you. Let me help you to finish it.
Oh, so
right. Oh, wait a minute, is a candy corn funny?
We're thinking of red vines.
Would red vines be funny? No, that's a little bit tough for a fly to hold.
There's those little sombrero jujubes. Those are kind of funny.
The question is, what would a fly like as far as candy goes?
Well, dots, but we already have a character.
Candy corn's pretty funny though, because it's really like it's a big triangle. I think that's actually.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I think we should go with candy corn. It's like, is it too Halloween?
Nah.
No. Okay. So he goes, oh, candy corn here. Let me help you to finish it.
That's great. Okay. That's great.
Tra-la-la-la-la, spring's in the air, and I'm a flower with nothing interesting to say. Ah! A bee!
I am a cute little bumblebee! Here I come! Slow down, you flowers! Oh, candy corn! Here, let me help you to finish it!